Okay, yeah, can you hear me? Yes. So for this mechanics of materials PR2, we did effect of weather on roller coasters. The problem definition was discussed in PR1. As you can see, the roller coaster shape and design usually have this kind of a structure. So the maximum potential energy at the start of the ride is here, and then as you go down, the kinetic energy increases. Each loop is slightly lower than the previous one so that the car loses energy, and as it goes it rolls and the speed decreases, uh which in turn makes the ride stop at the end. The next is how they work. Usually your roller coasters use gravity and inertia to work, and usually the tracks are like winding, so it makes it easier for it to run smoothly. The combination of gravity and inertia along with G forces, that's the gravitational forces and the centripetal acceleration, give the body certain sensations as the coaster moves up and down and around the track. When going around a roller coaster's vertical loop, the inertia that produces a thrilling acceleration force also keeps passengers in their seats. These are usually made up of wooden or steel coasters, depending on the materials used for support structures. Usually, steel structures are used because they are a little less complex than wooden ones, like the ones at the one of the roller coasters at the Blackpool, England uses around 1,200 piles, which is driven on sandy soil for the foundation, which uses around 210 metric tons of steel and 60,000 bolts. And there were around 42,000 square yards of painted surfaces, which makes it as strong as it is and how it works. The usual structure of the tracks is like this, as you can see in this photo. Uh, it's used and installed by the bolting, and it's a very supportive structure. This is usually the how it looks like, and yeah, the next one is the gravity and energy of the roller coasters. The potential energy you build up going up the hill can be released as kinetic energy, and that's what the basic flow of any roller coaster. Once you start cruising down the first hill, gravity takes over, and all the built up potential energy changes to kinetic energy. Usually, roller coasters are affected by weather in different cases. As we discussed this in the PR1, I just added a couple things more to this one. There's an example of a roller coaster which has a mass of 500 kg, which is fully loaded with passengers. We will just ignore the weight of the passengers for this question, and then just move ahead with whatever we have for in this question, which is the maximum speed and the force that we were supposed to find. And that is it for this. The references I've used are attached in the last slide. Thank you.